So welcome students for the video lecture of subject concrete technology. Today we will see what are the special concretes. So myself Rushali Mane, lecturer in Civil Department of Engineering, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. Vision of the institute: excellence in technical education to empower youth. Mission: impart quality technical education to prepare students with excellent technical skills. Then develop competent and employable diploma engineers and responsible citizens. Then strengthen industry institute interaction. Then vision of the department: to impart excellent civil engineering skills to develop employable civil diploma engineers. Then mission: imparting the modern technical skills as per the requirement of the industry to improve employability. Then to develop social and environmental responsible civil engineers. And then effective implementation of teaching learning process to benefit students. Course outcome: use relevant admixture for concreting for different weather conditions. Then unit outcome: describe the characteristics and uses of different types of concrete. Then program outcomes mapped here are: basic and discipline knowledge, problem analysis, design development of solution, engineering practices for society sustainability and environment, lifelong learning. Then what are special concrete? So special types of concretes are those without of the ordinary properties और those produced by unusual techniques. तो जो कंक्रीट एक ऑर्डिनरी प्रॉपर्टी कैरी करता है और जो अनयूजुअल टेक्निक से बनाए जाते हैं, जो नॉर्मल कन्वेंशनल तरीके से कंक्रीट जो बनाते हैं उससे अलग तरीका या अलग टेक्निक यूज़ करके जो कंक्रीट बनाए जाते हैं उनको स्पेशल कंक्रीट बोला जाता है और ये स्पेशल कंडीशंस के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. Then concrete is by definition a composite material consisting essentially of a binding medium and aggregate particles, and it can take many forms. These concretes do have advantages as well as disadvantages. Then different special types of concrete are lightweight concrete, fiber reinforced concrete, polymer concrete, pre-stressed concrete, precast concrete, self-healing concrete, self-compacting concrete, ready-mix concrete, vacuum concrete, roller compacted concrete, shotcrete concrete, waterproof concrete. So these are the various types of concretes. We will see one by one. So what is lightweight concrete? So it is a special type of concrete which have less weight and less density as compared to other concrete. तो lightweight से ही समझ में आता है. So density of ordinary concrete is 2400 kg per meter cube. But for lightweight concrete it is 400 to 2000 kg per meter cube. Then what are the properties of lightweight concrete? So dead load of the building decreases, the cross section of building becomes smaller so that construction becomes economical. The weight of the building also decreases, the depth and cross section of the foundation increases. Construction speeds up, the cost of transportation decreases. Formwork has to undergo relatively low weight pressure. Then the thermal conductivity of this concrete is higher than that of ordinary concrete. So where air conditioning is to be used, it gives good weather and low power consumption. Then lightweight concrete can be easily nailed, easily cut, easily repaired. Then lightweight concrete is used in partition walls of building, inside composite roof slabs and floor slabs, load bearing masonry walls, floor panels, etc. Then fiber reinforced concrete. These are also special type of concrete which are prepared by mixing concrete with additional fibers. So there are many types of fibers: steel, glass, vegetable, polypropylene, nylon, etc. that can be used in concrete. It has very low tensile stress as well as ductility and resistance against crack. Plain concrete has very low tensile strength as well as ductility and resistance against crack. If fibers are added in such concrete, the tensile strength increases a lot. Such concrete is called as fiber reinforced concrete. So it has higher tensile strength than normal concrete. So fiber added to concrete reduce the workability of concrete by winding around the aggregates. Hence concrete mixes become more cohesive and less likely to segregate. Then different types of fiber use this type of concrete such as steel, glass, polypropylene, nylon, asbestos, jute, coir, carbon, etc. The fibers are rounded or flattened. Then polymer concrete. Normal concrete is porous, so its strength is low. Adding polymer or monomer to ordinary concrete reduces its porosity and increases its strength. Then precast concrete. So various components of concrete are cast before being used in structure, and they are dried and then used in structure. So they are called as precast concrete. They are already casted in factory, मतलब जो फैक्ट्री में कास्ट किए जाते हैं. Such concretes are called as precast concrete. Advantages क्या है? Quality control is good. Smooth surface is obtained. Concrete components like sand, cement do not need to be transported and stored on site. Even in bad weather, precast unit can be casted. Building can be done quickly. Then disadvantage: special type of equipments are required for handling, transportation, lifting, etc. of precast units. Skilled craftsmen and laborers are required. Many precast units break down during handling and transportation. It is also difficult to assemble different components. Then pre-stress concrete. So pre-stress means to give a pre-stress force or moment on structural member so that member is exposed to external loads. Then pre-stress concrete is a special type of concrete in which reinforcement bars are tensioned before embedded in concrete. Then advantages: tension crack can be prevented. Steel does not corrode. The size of the pre-stress section is smaller than size of RCC section. Weight of the structure decreases, which results foundation cost decreases. Such concrete provides good resistance against impact and fatigue. Live load capacity of the beam increases. These are useful for oil wells and nuclear power plants. Then disadvantages: requires high grade concrete. High grade steel is required. Good quality control is required. Formwork is intricate. Then less labor cost becomes high. Then self-healing concrete. It is defined as the special type of concrete that is capable of repairing itself and gain its original position, or it can come back to its old position due to water or air contact with an unhydrated cement. Further hydration occurs. Then self-healing concrete is introduced in the concrete, which helps to repair the cracks by producing calcium carbonate crystals that blocks the micro cracks and pores in the concrete. Then self-compacting concrete. It is a special type of concrete that flows under its own weight and fills space of formwork without need for mechanical vibration. It is also known as flowing concrete. Then self-compacting concrete is used where compaction of concrete is difficult by various mechanical vibration devices. Then ready-mix concrete. It is a special type of concrete that is prepared at ready-mix plants and transported from construction to location. Then ready-mix concrete is of good quality of concrete because it is prepared under good quality of control, and content of aggregate, sand and water is also well specified as per the design mix of the concrete. Then ready-mix concrete is transported by transit mixers. Then vacuum concrete. Excess water and air are removed with the help of suction in such type of concrete. The duration for treatment depends upon water cement ratio and the amount of water to be removed. It is more effective when the water cement ratio is below 0.4. Here the pressure of suction is 1/3 of the atmospheric pressure. The vibration of concrete before the process of vacuum can help the whole process of manufacturing. Then vacuum is also used for finishing of floors, stripping of walls. It is used in factories and are involved in production of precast, plain and reinforced concrete units. Then roller compacted concrete. तो ये जो concrete है, it consists of mixture of cement, water aggregates and in some cases water reducing agents also. It makes the concrete mixture stiff and develops the consistency of damp gravel. Such concrete needs to be placed continuously since the water content is low in it. Then concrete also needs modified asphalt, paver and roller for compaction. It has strength and characteristics of conventional concrete. The effective consolidation roller compacted must be dry enough to support the mass of vibrating equipment and adequately wet to allow the cement paste for regular concreting operations. Means all concreting operations should be performed properly. Then shotcrete. So it is very fine concrete or mortar which is laid out by jetting mechanism or at high velocity on the prepared surface. So with the help of jetting mechanism मतलब spraying से concrete को pour किया जाता है structure में. Shotcrete is also known by various names like blowcrete, guiniting, guncrete, jetcrete, nutcrete, etc. Then it has wide application in curved surfaces. तो कर्व्ड सरफेस में ये शॉर्टक्रीट से कंक्रीट को इजीली लेइंग किया जा सकता है बाय जो अपने नॉर्मल जो कन्वेंशनल मेथड्स है उसके वो कर्व्ड सेक्शन में प्रॉपरली उससे कंक्रीट प्रोवाइड नहीं होता है, इसलिए शॉर्टक्रीट से प्रॉपरली कर्व्ड सेक्शन को कंक्रीट प्रोवाइड किया जा सकता है. इट इज़ अप्लाइड इन वर्टिकल सर्फेसेस, टनल लाइनिंग, रिजर्वायर, स्विमिंग पूल्स एक्सेट्रा. इट हैज़ हाई टेम्परेचर रेजिस्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी, makes it suitable for using in chimneys, factories, furnaces, etc. Then waterproof concrete. Top proof waterproof concrete contains two specially formulated admixture. First reduces the water cement ratio, increasing the density of mix and minimizing the size of the pores. The second fills the remaining pores, ensuring a completely watertight finish. This means there is no need for external membranes, reducing cost and labor. Then summary. Special types of concrete, their functions and their uses. Assignment. Write short note on self-compacting concrete, lightweight concrete. Explain in brief fiber reinforced concrete. Write the application of lightweight concrete. So this was all about today's lecture. Thank you.